Welcome guys, today I am with this speaker JBL Xtreme and I'm going to show you how you can pair it with your MacBook. So at first, remember to power on this device by tapping on this button. And as you can see right now, this button is blinking on the blue and making this sound. It means that our device is visible. It's in the pairing mode. And in my case, it just turned on automatically. But if you have a problem that this speaker is not visible, just click once on this Bluetooth button. Right now, we can put it back and simply go for the Bluetooth settings on our MacBook. Go for the Bluetooth preferences. Turn on Bluetooth by tapping right here. And next, focus on these devices. As you can see, JBL Xtreme appears. So click Connect. And after a few seconds, we are successfully connected. So that's how we can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.